Hey, what's happening, everybody? I'm Charles Maring. Welcome to the Art Studio. I am so excited today because I just got a Lumix S1 in. It's a day early. April 4th is when pre-orders start to get shipped and whatnot, but I happen to be a Lumix ambassador. I've been shooting with Lumix cameras professionally for many, many years, so I'm so excited about this full frame debut. And we're gonna dive into the box, take a look at it together, unpack it together, so stay tuned. So I totally geek out over this stuff. I love camera systems, and anytime I get a new one, I'm just so excited about it because I know I'm gonna spend a massive amount of time with the camera, creating all over the world, and this is the new camera that I'm gonna be doing it on and spending a great deal of time with, the Lumix S1. Let's dive right in, take a look at what's inside the box. First and foremost, it comes in a really elegant box here, as you can see. We'll pull the tab off together and go at it. Let's see what's inside. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I figured this time around it may be worth it to do. As you can see inside, there are several compartments. I have no idea what is in each precisely, but let's pick up this one first. This is right off the top. And inside, let's see, manuals. Okay, so, oh, I'm going in it the wrong way. Figures. Yeah, so two manuals. I assume one in English, one in Spanish or other languages. Yep, totally seems to be that way. That's good because I've been shooting with a Lumix S1 for quite some time. A few weeks ago, I had one on loan, but I did not have a manual. So it'll be cool to be able to dive into that and learn a little bit more of the details of the camera as well. I can see right in the top here, this has got to be the camera itself. Let's go ahead and pull it out. It's wrapped nicely, as you can see here. And there it is. Look at this. Oh gosh. So excited about this camera system. I just can't even believe that we are now holding a full frame Lumix camera after shooting micro four thirds for so many years. And don't get me wrong, I love the micro four thirds format. That's not going anywhere for us, but I am also a big fan of full frame and all that we can do with this. And after experiencing it and seeing me able to push video ISO to 25,000 plus and it be cleaner and sharper than the GH5S, I'm like, I have to have this because it's gonna open doors to new ways of thinking and shooting and all those things. Let's take a look here. We have another box inside. I will open it correctly this time. Inside of this box we have, let's see, battery charger. That's key. We have brick for the battery charger to plug in. Oh, this is cool. They have a locking HDMI port, full-size HDMI on this camera as well. So this way you can lock your HDMI cables in place. They don't go anywhere. Nice thing. We have a strap in here as well, although I will be using the Lumix Pro Services strap, which is a Peak Design strap because I just got that in last week. You can check out that unboxing as well. Cable for, it's a USB-C cable. USB-C to USB 3 cable, power and battery, so we can get all of this stuff plugged in, charge our batteries, and keep our camera plugged in and charged if we want to go that way as well. So that's kind of cool. Let's take a look at the last box here. I'm assuming it's got to be a lens because this is the kit. Yes, this is the 24 to 105 f4.0 lens from Lumix, and I worked extensively with this lens, and it is really an impressive lens. The build quality on it is as good as anything I've ever used. It's got a really nice construction. As you can see, we'll take a closer look here as well. And on the side here, you're looking at the optical stabilization. You can kind of lock that in place. You've got manual or autofocus here, and you can lock it as well. So if you get to a specific place you want, you lock it in place. This way it doesn't come out like this. If you have it on a tripod, you need to lock it down. It's not going to end up coming down. But that's pretty stiff, actually. So I don't think that's going to be much of a problem anyway. And then inside here, we also have the lens hood as well. And there it is. It's a locking hood too, I'll mention, which is a really nice feature because I am notorious for losing lens hoods. So I'm glad to see that. Let's take a look inside here. We have to push the button to actually open it. There it is. We have a beautiful full frame sensor here, as you can see. No, I do not want to get it in any way that I can get any dust in there or anything. But yeah, full frame sensor. Let's go ahead and put this beautiful piece of glass on it. As you can see here, L mount, of course. And, oh yeah, we are in business. Yeah, so I'm so excited to have the Lumix S1. This is what you can expect to get if you pre-ordered it or if you decide you're moving towards a Lumix S1 as your preferred body. I'm really thrilled with the build quality. I'm thrilled as a professional to see Lumix build a high-end professional full-frame camera. Yes, I love my Micro Four Thirds cameras. I will continue to use them extensively for professional work and vlogging and all of those things. But I will also be using this extensively in our studio for weddings, portraits, and anything else that we have professionally flowing as well. So that's a wrap today. So excited. Lumix S1, it has arrived. They are shipping. They are available. And after all of this wait, hearing about it for so long via the internet and whatnot, it has finally arrived. And for those of you that are excited as I am, this is what you can expect. That's a wrap for today, everybody. We appreciate you. Have a great one. Take care.